Have you ever wondered what the perfect hybrid camera would look like? A camera that doesn't force you to choose between stunning photography and cutting-edge videography, but instead masters both? Well, it looks like Sony might be closer than ever to delivering exactly that. The latest leaks about Sony's highly anticipated A7V have been stirring up excitement, leaving photographers and videographers alike eagerly speculating about what's to come. But does the A7V truly have what it takes to redefine the hybrid camera market? Let's dive in and explore everything we know so far. The excitement began when a mysterious new Sony camera surfaced in official registration documents, listed under the codename W7V. While Sony has yet to confirm the details, insiders are confident that this could be the A7V, the successor to the immensely popular A7 IV. What makes this registration particularly intriguing is the inclusion of dual-band Wi-Fi capabilities, a feature typically reserved for Sony's higher-end models. This single clue has led many to believe that Sony is preparing to launch something far more powerful than a simple incremental update. So, what exactly can we expect from the A7V? Let's start with the sensor and processing power. Rumors suggest that Sony might stick with the tried-and-true 33MP full-frame BSI sensor seen in the A7 IV, but with significant improvements. Low-light performance and dynamic range are expected to see a major boost, likely due to advancements in sensor technology and Sony's next-generation Bionz XR processor. This means faster image processing, better noise reduction, and enhanced autofocus capabilities. Speaking of autofocus, AI-driven tracking is rumored to be a game-changer, capable of locking onto subjects with unparalleled accuracy, whether it's human eyes, animals, birds in flight, or even fast-moving action scenes. But perhaps the most exciting potential upgrade lies in the video capabilities. Sony has been a dominant force in the hybrid camera space, and the A7V could push the boundaries even further. Leaks suggest the ability to capture 6K video oversampled to 4K, delivering ultra-crisp footage with exceptional detail. For those seeking even more, 4K at 120 frames per second could offer silky smooth slow motion, while some sources hint at the possibility of 8K recording at 30 frames per second. Combine that with improved color profiles and dynamic range, and the A7V could become a dream camera for filmmakers and content creators alike. The hardware improvements don't stop there. Reports indicate that Sony might equip the A7V with a 5.76 million OLED electronic viewfinder, offering a sharper and more immersive shooting experience. The ergonomic design is also expected to take inspiration from Sony's flagship A9 II, ensuring a comfortable grip and improved durability for long shooting sessions in demanding environments. This suggests that Sony isn't just refining specs. It's also focusing on making the camera more intuitive and robust for real-world use. One of the biggest wildcards in this entire discussion is the possibility of Sony introducing a brand new sensor, the IMX366. If this rumored 44MP full-frame sensor makes its way into the A7V, it could bring 8K, 12-bit recording, and incredibly fast readout speeds, significantly reducing rolling shutter issues. This single addition could set the A7V apart from every other camera in its class, making it a powerhouse for both still photography and high-end video production. Of course, Sony isn't operating in a vacuum. The hybrid camera market is more competitive than ever, with strong contenders like the Canon EOS R6 Mark II and the Nikon Z6 Mark II. While these cameras offer excellent features in their own right, Sony's rumored combination of 8K recording, AI-driven autofocus, and next-gen processing